professional
Oh.
haircut.
Who's that?
Oh, what's your one?
Mommy with her hair in a
No.
braid. Oh, you look so different. That's just funny.
Oh, just in a ponytail.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
wearing-
yeah.
Alistair's first
Behind
haircut.
red.
Good look-
Before and after.
looking good
that?
for the ladies.
Look back again. By the Easter Bunny.
What's this?
Yeah, that was
Alistair,
funny.
what's this here? Alistair, here.
Alistair. Alistair.
Happy
What's that?
Easter. What is that?
By the ocean.
Lake, Ren Lake. We did the chicken coop.
Chicken
We were locked in the chicken coop for Special Olympics.
What are you doing?
Because we were too chicken to plunge.
Are you swimming? I think you're all wet.
Swimming. More balloons.
What's that?
Monkey around at the zoo.
Oh, how cute.
Look at the gorilla.
Ooh, a big gorilla.
What does a gorilla say? What do monkeys say? Ooh, ooh, ah,
Oh, this is really beautiful.
A
A balloon.
Those are cute.
Yeah.
The hair again.
What do you have?
Alistair's first birthday.
You got a hammer.
And his skunk costume.
Oh, that is so cute.
So then this
puppy
all
kept
up to
himself.
September is 2009 events, and then starting at October is his first
Are you a
birthday.
stinky skunk?
Around.